So welcome to the still very much under construction Sydney, New York yards on my New York, Ontario, and Western layout. The reason we're here is there was a lot of discussion after we posted our D10 video, wondering what kind of train the D10 would pull up a grade. Well, coming out of Sydney here is actually the ruling grade on my layout. It comes out at about 1 3/4% and goes around a 26-inch radius curve at the same time. So I've just tacked on a string of cars. These are all various cars from my roster. They're a mix of various manufacturers. There's plastic in here, there's resin in here, there's a little bit of everything. This is the typical type of consist you might see on your layout. And let's just see what this baby will do. And no, I did not clean the track beforehand. Right, so it'll pull 15 cars up a grade, but will it start 15 cars on a grade? Yeah, let's give it a try. I'd call that a yes. Right, so there we have it. Our little D10 sample pulling 15 cars up 1.75% around a 26-inch radius curve on my very dirty track. It is a very much under construction layout. Hopefully this allayed some of your fears on whether this locomotive will pull anything, and we hope this answered your questions. Thanks for your interest.